Minasan konnichiwa, this is Tina and welcome to my apartment tour. So this has been a very highly requested video for a while now, so I thought I would finally put it together since we have been living in this apartment for about 6 months, so you know it's probably about time. We did do a quick moving vlog when we moved into this apartment and I just can't believe it's been 6 months already. Like seriously, time flies just like that. I am gonna say in advance that this is not gonna be one of those super aesthetic influencer sleek minimal kind of apartment tours, because me and Logan, my partner, are not like that. We are definitely homebodies. We love being at home. This is our happy place, so it is going to be that place where we just enjoy spending our time and it is very lived in, if that makes sense. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I am going to have Logan helping me out to film because he helps me with everything. Logan! There he is! Thanks for helping out today. We're going to show everyone where we live. Let's get to it. Well, what are you waiting for? Come on in. Well, welcome. This is our apartment. As you can see, it is not a very big apartment at all, but it is our humble abode. It is very cozy and it is our home. So when you first enter, to the left is the entrance area, I guess you could say. Obviously, just pretty simple. We have our shoes and we have our coats that we can grab real quick on the way out. Most of our items and like household goods and furniture and all that are from the same 4 stores. IKEA, obviously, Kmart in Australia, Daiso and Muji would probably be the top 4 places that we get everything. We'll go into the bedroom first, which is this one. Again, not a huge bedroom. By side, we got the Malm bed from IKEA, which I think is pretty iconic. We've got a little storage, but don't look in there because it's pretty messy, but I'm kidding, it's just a bit littered. This is our bed. We are obviously children because we sleep with a bunch of plush. Disney is a big part of our life because we did meet at Disney, if you didn't know already. And this was probably the first gift that I got Logan before we even started dating, because I knew he loved Dumbo. And I saw this pillow pen, I was like, I gotta get it for him. We do also have our little bedside tables. They are matching from Kmart. My bedside table, I don't know if you guys want to know, but I have pretty basic stuff. Lamp tissues, water bottle, diffuser that does not turn on very often. Got a glass house candle, which if you guys haven't tried them, they are so good. And then I have a little container of all the little knickknacks that you need. Lip balm, eye drops, and things like that. My 2 favorite lip balms, or like one of my 2 favorites that I keep by the bedside. DHC and the Rohto Mentholatum Melty Cream Lip. Love them. This is the wardrobe. Obviously it came with the place. You don't need to film up there because you know everybody has like clutter, messy stuff. It's like Monica's closet in Friends, where all the clutter is. That's our above.
Oh my god.
So we'll just show you below. This is Logan's section. He has drawers. And then up to probably here is Logan's clothes, and then all the rest of my hanging clothes, cardigans, hoodies, shirts, stuff like that. And the last one is more of my clothes, tops, pants, and then all of the rest are just in there. That is our, oh no, it's not a bedroom yet because we've got this secondary TV. What can I talk? This is our secondary TV. My mum gave it to us for free when she bought her new TV. So this is a free TV for a bedroom, which is awesome. And then this was a bookshelf. This was a bookshelf we were using in the old apartment, and we kind of turned it to its side and it kind of worked out to have our TV. So I got my jewellery here, and then isn't it funny, I have Harry Potter in Japanese and then I have Harry Potter in English. And then a bunch of Detective Conan because my brother gave it to me and I'm trying to read through them, but there is a lot. Yeah, that is our bedroom. So we're gonna move to the living area. First thing you see pretty much when you walk in the door as well is our little bookshelf. So we only got this fairly recently and we wanted something where we can put up our like memories and things we like and things that makes us feel happy when we look at them. We have the Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme Australia recently did a collab with Pokemon and Logan just had to get those donuts, so we kept the box. And then this is a puzzle that we've had for so long and obviously we have nowhere to put it. And then this is the Disney cubicle. As I said, Disney means a lot, and I have all my Disney things. This was like a little snow globe that my brother bought me when I was like, I don't know, like 10, 11, 12, around that age. Tinkerbell's my favorite. This is probably the saddest cubicle at the moment. This is like me and Logan's memory cubicle. And we are going to get a photo of us from when we're in our old apartment and put it in this frame. Haven't done that yet. Things that we collected together. So we got some Ushis. We got cork bottles from like special dates of the drink that we drank. And then this one is Logan's little cubicle. So he's got little turtle toys. He's got Two Sons, the beer that gave him inspiration for his most recent album. Yeah. And then he's got his Pokemon cards, of course. Every 30-year-old man has his Pokemon card collection. This is my mug section because I love mugs. Mugs are my thing. I don't want to break them, so they are sitting over here instead of being in our kitchen. Even though my mum did break this one. That's okay, Mom, I forgive you. And then we do have our Star Wars section. It also means a lot to us because we met in a Star Wars area of Disney when we met. And then the rest honestly isn't really anything. It's kind of like storage space at the moment. And now moving on to our dining table. Pretty simple. This is where we eat a lot of our food, most of our food, delicious food. We do have a little Halloween basket full of decorative things because we're going to be doing a live stream using this stuff. Yeah, it'll be up by the time this video is up, so check out the live stream if you haven't. And when you come in here, this is our relaxing time. This is our couch. We spend a lot of time hanging out. As I said, we are super homebodies, so we spend a lot of time just hanging out watching Netflix or playing games. That.
Where'd the couch come from?
Oh, the couch. The couch is also free from my mum. When I first moved out, I also took her bed for free as well. So thank you, Mum. I appreciate you so much, obviously. I've thought about getting a new couch, but this is a like ridiculously comfortable couch for like being so old, and it's really big and we can just like lie down and all that. This is our coffee table. We waited for months for it to come in stock in IKEA. It is lack. It is only $40 and that's why we waited because it's so cheap. And then we do also have our little candy ball because it is Halloween in about a week. So here's your Halloween candy.
Oh, thank you.
We have our wall of clutter. You know, everybody has that area where there's a bunch of cords and devices and things and that. We do have our plants up here. I do apologize if they look not so healthy, Mum. We try our best, but we just can't keep them as healthy as you do. We've got our controllers for our game systems and things like that. On the wall, we currently have some Halloween decorations, which is cute. We've got it from Daiso. And then this is our big TV that we actually bought because we don't have a car. We literally we took this on the bus and we carried it home like that. But this was our like first big purchase together. And then we have this TV unit that doesn't close because it's from Kmart. You know, you get what you pay for. A Switch is another pretty big purchase, our mutual purchase. This was Valentine's Day.
Valentine's went into lockdown.
Went into lockdown celebration. Yeah. We got a Switch because that's what you do. And then this is our balcony. Obviously we have some washing out there at the moment. It's pretty simple. I mean, it's nice that we have a balcony. And I feel like a lot of people would complain about the view not being really a view. But for us, our old apartment like was directly facing this window of this lovely elderly Asian couple. Don't know how many times we met eyes with them. So this way we can walk around naked and no one will see us. So. Then it is the kitchen bathroom area, the place where you dump everything. It always gets messy whenever we get groceries. And then we do also have a calendar. It is a family calendar, but we use it for like our work schedule and then also like our kind of creation. For me, it's usually YouTube, and then Logan, his music. And this is our small little kitchen. It is pretty small, but it is still bigger than our old one, so I'm okay with it. It's so lived in, isn't it? We even count our water consumption every day, and we have like labels everywhere, our receipts and our lunch bags for work. How old are we? Have a guess at how old we are. I would say one of my like best, cheapest purchases is this thing. I don't remember how much it was. It was like $15 or something from Kmart. And it's like the over microwave thing. And we're like big time coffee tea drinkers. So all our coffee's up here and all our mugs are up here. And I don't know, I love it. And then our bathroom, again, pretty small. When you come in the back, obviously there's a shower. I wish I had a bath. I wish I had a Japanese bath. A little rack, which honestly was like a perfect fit for our little corner here. And we obviously have our toilet paper because everybody needs their toilet paper. Some body products, tissues, and stuff like that. And then the sink. This is the hers side and the his side. We have a little box each for our skincare. And then I have my skincare trolley where a lot of the products that I'm currently testing sit on. Yeah, down the bottoms, whatever. Got sheet masks on the second one. And then it's just like a clutter of skincare. A lot of people might think we have an excessive amount of towels, but we have a hand towel, we have our individual bath towel, we have an individual face towel, and then I have a hair towel to try not to cross-contaminate with bacteria. If you are using the same towel for your hands and your face, I would highly recommend stopping that and getting just a face towel. And then last but probably not least is our studio slash study. And here it is. This is where all the magic happens. Obviously it is a tiny room because I can almost reach across the whole place by myself. Yeah, it is small, but we appreciate it existing because in our last apartment we did not have a second room, so our desks were in the living area and it wasn't ideal. Whereas this, it's like, okay, once we're in here, we're working, this is our work time. This is Logan's section. Logan's got his guitar and his keyboard and then his full setup. He's got many cords and stuff running about. And then he even does have his microphone. I'm not going to touch it because I always feel like I'm going to break it. And then we even have a little wall. We haven't done it lately, which isn't great, but we do have a little wall of the words Logan's. Well, I've taught Logan in Japanese, so we've got that too. My section, obviously my desk. I do keep my lights in the corner there because there's not much else I can do with them. And my kind of other gear, tripod, mic. And then I have my desk. This is where I sit at to do my work. I have my little collage that I recently made that I quite like. I think it's cute. It is packaging from skincare that I have like opened in the past, and I always felt like it was so wasteful to throw it out, but there's not much you can do about it. So I did a collage and I really like it. And then this is my desk. It is pretty cluttered, but I don't know. I feel like I can't really figure out a way to make it look nice, but also practical. So this is just practical and I can reach everything. I've got like my electronic stuff in here, notes, makeup, and then this is my skincare shelf, which you guys have probably seen if you've seen a couple of my recent videos. The top here is pretty messy. I haven't actually like set it up. I bought these cute lights and I actually don't know how to set it up yet, so I've just left them up here, but they're really pretty. Exploding empties. This is some fan art that one of my beautiful subscribers did. It's so cute and I love it. Just a piece that I always just want and makes me happy to look at. And this is my kind of display shelf. Obviously this is just aesthetically pleasing. It's kind of just there for the background of my videos. And then I do the rest of the shelf is like unopened skincare that I have. So yeah, but this is where I sit and work, do my live streams and chat with you guys and edit my videos and everything. But yeah, that's the apartment tour. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the apartment tour. I do apologize that I probably rambled on quite a bit, but especially when I talk about the things that make me happy and the things I love, I do tend to do that. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little peek into our lives, I guess, and see where I work. I ain't no professional like influencer or whatever, but this is how I do my stuff, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoy the content I continue to create. Thank you so much for your support always, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Most of our items are from like the same stores.
I'm sorry, you just look so cute. that's all I have to say. Okay. From
the same 4 stores.
I'm sorry.
This was a puzzle. I forgot the word.
You had to piece it together.
What? I love. Maybe I'll redo that. No. Talked and what's that word? Jibber jabber? No. Blabbed on. Rambled on.
Rambled on. That's a good one. That's my term.
Work schedule and then I forgot what was on there.